Hello, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is about the common mistakes most creators do that withhold their channel not to grow. Like I said, most creators do it unknowingly. I was once doing it until I find out. So I decided to put it in word. I call it 5 common mistakes. So the number one is content view. Okay, as a creator, let your content not be about you. Let your content be about your viewers, your audience. Let it be something that can solve your viewers problem. YouTube is about problem solver. YouTube is a platform where people come to learn things, where people come to learn things that will benefit them or things that will solve their problem. So you see, as a viewer that bump into your channel and all they hear is about you, it knocks them off, and most times they will sleep and go to the next creator, and they will never come back to your own channel. So let your content center about your viewers, about your audience, what they will learn, what they will benefit, and not about you. Second common mistake most creators do is talking too much. Most times, most creators don't go straight to the point. So most people, they want to blah 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 before they can go straight to the point, to the topic they want to discuss. So as a creator, let the 5 seconds to 1 minute of your starting video be about the topic you're discussing. Go straight to the point. Don't talk too much. When you go straight to the point, you're able to capture your viewer. You're able to make most of your viewer to sit back and watch your video. So when you talk too much about yourself, or talk too much things that are not relevant, or keep asking them to subscribe, or you bombard the early start of your video with your asking your audience to subscribe, before you know it, you've spent that 5 minutes, and most people don't even have the time. Sorry, you spend like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and most times some viewers don't even have the time or the patience to sit back to hear what you want to say. So let your first 1 minute or 2 minutes of your starting video be about the topic you're rendering, be about the topic you set for them to see. So you go straight to the point. Don't talk too much. Okay. So the 3 common mistakes most creators do is not having a catching thumbnail. You know, thumbnail is the advert to your video. Thumbnail is the cover to your video. Thumbnail is what people see first before they click to your video. So if you have uncatchy thumbnail, most people won't click. So let your thumbnail be catchy. Like I say, is a cover to that beautiful video of yours. So once you have a very good catching video, you should be able to have a very catching thumbnail that will draw people to click your video, view it, because the more viewer you get, the more your channel is growing. So another common mistake we do bet for is not using the right hashtag or tags. So to every topic you're reading out there, make sure you use the relevant hashtag or tag to it, so that YouTube can be able to recommend your video to people that watch it. So the YouTube algorithm will be able to pick up your video because it is in the right place. So it's just like when you're sending something on an error, you have to put it to the right direction. So let that video of yours have a right hashtag, have the right tag, so that so that it can be able to be searchable. YouTube algorithm can be able to catch up what your video is all about, and your video might be recommended. So the more your video is recommended, the more people are clicking, the more people are watching. So if you don't have the right hashtag, your video will be stagnant and your channel might not grow. So the last but not the least is not using the right title names. I talk about title and file name. You know, I also make a video about making sure you put in your file name first before you upload. Most creators just upload their video from the gallery without changing their file name. So when your file name does not have the right keyword together with your title, YouTube algorithm will not catch up. YouTube will not be able to even say know what your video is all about. Like I said, I dropped a video on how you can change your file name so that it can have the same keyword with your file, with your title. So Most creators do this mistake. They upload a video without putting a considering the file name, because when you have the right file name and the keyword into your file name, your video will be recommended. People will get to see your video. People will also get to watch and click your video. So I hope these 5 mistakes is something that you can put into heart. If you're doing it, please stop doing it. If you're not doing it, kudos to you. So these are the common mistakes that most creators do without knowing, and it also affects your channel not to grow. So if this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, so that your girl can be viewed. Click on the notification bell and on the subscribe button to know when next I will be making my next video. Thank you. This is Mommy and Divine.